In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to CUNY College online. Embarking on the journey to higher education is a significant step, and navigating the application process can be daunting. But not to worry, we're here to break it down into a simple and straightforward experience for you. First, let's get started by visiting the CUNY application website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to www.cuny.edu/admissions undergraduate apply. This is where your application journey begins. Once you're on the page, you'll see a clear option to apply now. Click this button to move forward and set up your CUNY First login account. If you already have an account, just log in as you usually would. If not, you'll need to create one, which involves setting up your unique username and password. Now, with access to your CUNY First account, you're ready to start the application. You'll see an option labeled Start Your Application. Click that, and you'll need to specify if you are applying as a freshman, a transfer student, or an international student. This step tailors the application to best fit your individual academic journey. Next, it's time to select the colleges you wish to apply to. One of the great things about applying to CUNY is that you can choose up to 6 colleges within the system on a single application. A useful tip here is to rank these colleges in order of preference, as the first one you choose will be your top priority. The following step is all about you. This is where you'll complete the application form with your personal information, academic history, and other supporting details like extracurricular activities and any honors. Be thorough and honest. It's your opportunity to showcase who you are beyond grades and scores. Once you've filled out the application, you'll need to upload or send additional documentation. This includes your high school or college transcripts, any applicable test scores, and potentially an essay or personal statement, depending on the program you're applying to. Make sure these documents are ready to go to avoid any last-minute scrambles. After that, it's time to pay the application fee. For freshmen, the fee is $65, and for transfer applicants, it's $70. This payment can conveniently be made online using a credit or debit card. If you're eligible for a fee waiver, be sure to take advantage of that option. Carefully review your entire application for any errors or omissions. Once you're certain everything looks good, hit that submit button. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox. To follow the status of your application, simply log back into your CUNY First account. This hub will provide updates and notify you if any further information is needed. Lastly, the wait begins for your admission decision, which will arrive via your CUNY account and email. While it might require some patience, rest assured that you've completed all the essential steps to potentially secure your place at CUNY. Best of luck on your educational journey.